it's crazy check. So I've deposited in that 54 million I deposited in my account, and I'm going to be buying Bitcoins with that.
Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. Guys, look at this. After the Bitcoin price was going parabolic, we are right now in this consolidation phase, and Bitcoin is coiling up right now for a very, very big move. Just as a quick side note, while I am editing this specific video here, the Bitcoin price is already dumping here exactly like predicted in this video. Where are we going to bounce? What are our price targets to the downside? And after this dump, where is the next upcoming pump leading to? We will be talking in this video about all specific price targets, so watch this video until the very end, guys. I can promise you it contains extremely valuable information about the current moves for Bitcoin right now. This is the exact reason why I am having the one and only DaVinci J15 in today's show with the green jacket. We will be also talking about Ethereum, whether there is more upside momentum, because recently we saw some significant gains here. We will be talking about all of that, guys, and yes, much more. So make sure you take a seat. This will be a short one, but nevertheless a very important one. And with that being said, I want to urge everyone to sit down, scroll down, smash up the like button if you appreciate these special episodes with the one and only DaVinci J15. Also press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all. And with that being said, I want to come to the by far most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pot, 5 by 5. I want to show you guys something. I got this check for that gold that I sold, and let's see if I can show it to you. I guess I can. I'm gonna have to show it to you. You're gonna have to show it to people. But there's 54 million. It's for 54 million. And then it's a crazy check. So I've deposited in that 54 million I deposited in my account, and I'm gonna be buying Bitcoins with that.
You know what? This is a big number. So you're going to buy Bitcoin for 54 million. Amazing. And don't rush into Bitcoin when you hear this. We'll probably not move the market, hopefully, or maybe we should hope for that. Let's pull up the charts and see exactly what the fundamentals are telling us. This was for selling your gold, right?
Yes, exactly.
Amazing, amazing. So let's pull up the charts and see what your Magic TA says, because I know that you don't have so much time. While you are pulling up the charts, DaVinci has not so much time. He's still coming to us, still making this TA. I truly appreciate it. I will like this video myself. If you appreciate that video and DaVinci J15's time, like it please as well. And now, DaVinci, the stage is yours. What is it about with this consolidation phase? Are we going to go up, more likely, or down?
Okay, before I continue, I want to calm everybody down. It wasn't $54 million. It was 54 million pesos. Chilean pesos. I'm sure you were freaking out up there. All right. So Bitcoin is you can see that we're consolidating on the 4-hour. I think we're going to have to touch the 13 AMA before we actually continue going up. Ethereum is doing actually exactly that, I believe, on its 4-hour here. Well, no, it actually even hasn't gotten to the 13 AMA. So we could see this thing coming all the way down to the 8 to actually, you know what? Looking at this, there's like a notch here. I'm feeling that, you know what, Bitcoin could even come down as far as, as 12,000, right? So you got to be careful here to recheck the $12,000 level.
That would be fine for me,
actually. Because of the BPVR, right? You see these holes here. Yeah. The prices don't like to leave holes in the background. Now, if we scroll out a little bit, maybe that hole will get filled a little bit better. Yeah. So maybe, most likely, it will only do like, you know, the 12,300 or something like that level, and fill in that hole and then go higher. So that's the worst case scenario that we're looking at here. So if you're looking to get in on any kind of position, I would suggest looking at this, right? We're going to probably oscillate a little bit, maybe come back down into the 12,600 level, and then to oscillate back into the POC, the point of control, which is at 12,980. And I think maybe you should consider walking away, because this thing might, you know, oscillate back down to screw people. It all depends on how you feel. If you feel lucky, right, and you think it's going to go higher, then go right ahead. Just, you know, want to take profits whenever you can. So maybe you might want to take the profits right there.
Last thing, let's say we are oscillating down, wiping out some weekends. You are seeing Bitcoin being bought up by the market and bouncing back up. So even though there is downwards momentum in the immediate short term, you think that this upwards trajectory is not over yet. Is that correct?
That's correct. And then you have to be cautious because this thing could come all the way down to fill this pocket, 12,000. Yep. So be careful.
While you're going over to Ethereum, I really want to tell everyone, Bitcoin was just going up since ages. Please do expect Bitcoin to take some money from many, many people. Weekends have to be shaken out at one specific point of time. This is why we are not rushing into parabolic ones. This is why we took our strong positions already before. I will not show you my trades now. I will show it to you in the next video. I showed it in the last video. All I can say, tell you guys, I have the free sign-up links here down below where you can get the highest bonus. Just go to the pinned comment, use it if you want. You can support us. You get a bonus. We get a bonus. And yeah, you can use the bonus for trading. And now, Da Vinci, I don't want to take more time here from that. Maybe we go into Ethereum, or do you have anything left to share on Bitcoin?
Yeah, before we close off here, I'd like to let me just hide the VPVR. We're done here with that. To point out if the other case, the bullish case, we of course break the highs to 13,250. You can see this thing going up to at least the 14,000, somewhere close to the 14,000. So you're looking for that to see additional price action. Right, we're getting closer and closer to the 13 EMA on the 4-hour, which is the most likely target here. There's a lot of gaps here, a lot of nothing happened in between this the 400 level and the 408. So look for Ethereum to at least come back to the 400 level. Maybe we might not do that. We might just stay above the $404 level before we go higher. But because of its volatility, don't be surprised if we come back to the 61.8 at the minimum. Let's see where that is. What's it saying there? Yeah, there you go. The breakout, 61.8. Don't be surprised if that's a visit. We pay a visit to that before we decide to go launch higher. This is a very volatile market, so you can expect that kind of retracement in a short amount of time. So that's what I'm looking for at Ethereum. I want to get in on anything that comes down. I'm going to, of course, wait for some sort of setup before I actually go long. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for in the next little while before I actually decide to go long.
Yes, and this is exactly what I love about our collaborations. We are not going completely insane here only because something is going parabolic. If you miss the boat, wait for the retracement. Most of the times we are seeing it. Don't rush into these parabolas. And yeah, we can already see it retracing down a little bit. Thank you so much for this amazing TA, for all your price targets. I cannot wait, literally, to see Bitcoin hitting 14,000. I mean, come on, imagine all the champagne bottles the people would be popping, except Peter Schiff. So I cannot wait for this. And guys, if you are not prepared for Bitcoin to go to 12,500, 11,700, whatever, you are not in the right business here. I mean, come on. Like, this is just part of the game, and I think we should be prepared for these scenarios. Thank you so much, Da Vinci. And I want to ask you, because I think you are pulling out a nice discount for Pandora's wallet, where people can get, I think, a pretty significant discount right now, not only for Pandora's wallet, but also access to your Telegram group. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. We're going to have a 70% sale from today, well, actually going on to tomorrow, Saturday, till basically Halloween. So it's a Halloween sale for 70% off the current price right now. So yeah, look for that over the next little while. And yeah, join us in the Telegram group, and you'll be able to have access to my live stream as well. So you'll be able to be a part of the live stream instead of waiting for the actual edited version to come out. So yeah, and we could be part of the fun, because there's lots of fun after the question and answer period, and we have lots of fun after that.
It is funny AF, man. I really, and also in the group, I'm checking it. Sometimes it's like a lot of traction. People are loving it. Everyone who's interested, I will be leaving the link down below in the pinned comment, in the description. If you're interested, click on the link. You see the different options. 70%. I don't think anyone wants to argue about 70%. So thank you so much for this very nice offer, Da Vinci. Thank you everyone for coming back to our channel, for liking, subscribing, commenting. You know that your engagement is actually getting tracked by YouTube. They love an engaging community, and you are the most engaging community. My video yesterday I uploaded here, where I showed you all my targets, all my trades, all my profits. I think approximately $220,000 in profit here on these trades. By the way, free sign up link down below. It got 4,100 likes here. big shout out to you guys. You are by far the best crypto family out there. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, Da Vinci, do you have any last words to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, click the MMCrypto subscription box here, and also, more importantly, the Da Vinci J15 subscription box over there, and the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right here. And as always, guys, bye-bye.